Here are 30 sentences in English commonly used in colleges or universities. Classroom Conversations 1. Did you finish yesterday's assignment? 2. What time is the next lecture? 3. I completely forgot about the quiz today. 4. Can I borrow your notes for last week's lecture? 5. This subject is harder than I expected. 6. The professor didn't explain this topic well. 7. Do you think this will be on the final exam? 8. I'll meet you in the library after class. 9. Can we form a study group for the project? 10. Did you get the email about the schedule change? Social interactions. 11. Where's the best place to eat on campus? 12. Are you coming to the party this weekend? 13. Let's grab coffee after this class. 14. I need a break. Let's hang out in the common area. 15. Did you hear about the event in the auditorium today? 17th. Who's performing at the College Fest this year? 17. Do you want to join the debate club with me? 18. I ran into the dean while rushing to class. 19th. Can you recommend a good place to study off campus? 20. The Wi-Fi here is so slow during peak hours. Exams and assignments. 21. I pulled an all-nighter to study for the exam. 22. This project is going to take forever to finish. 23rd. Can you proofread my essay before I submit it? 24. I'm so nervous about the Viva tomorrow. 25. The deadline has been extended, thank goodness. 26. What's the word limit for this assignment? 27. I can't believe I forgot to attach the document in my email. 28th. Did you manage to solve the last question on the test? 29th. Let's split the work evenly for this group project. 30. I'll email the professor to ask for clarification. These are some examples of sentences in English commonly used in colleges or universities that you can use in your daily life. Practice these sentences to improve your spoken English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.